Hey guys, so today I'll be introducing to you Blizzard. So Blizzard is an XL American Bully puppy. She's super sweet. As you can see, she really loves getting pet. She is actually a pied brindle who has a ticked face. If you can see, she has a ticked face. Check her out, super cute. So Blizzard is actually available, and talking about our XL American Bullies, we really look for the best temperament. So temperament is number one, okay? And that is what we are trying to produce right now. This is our second litter, and we've seen that we are able to produce temperament every single time. And one thing that we really love is this litter was a splash of colors. We had a splash of colors in this litter. So we check it out. She's a big female. Check her out. She has a thick face. Check it out, check it out. Yeah, she has a thick face. She really loves to play. And yeah, she's really big for her age. She's 2 months. And look at her. She's just beautiful. And check out her brindle spot in the areas. Check that out. So I'll place her down and I'll show you more of her.